Good morning, students. How are you all? So, welcome back to your math class. Today we will do some activity. Interesting work. I hope you will enjoy this activity. You were getting bored after doing so many work, so many sums. So, let's start with this activity. I hope you will enjoy this. And this activity is also based on exercise 11.4. First of all, take one sheet, dark colored sheet or any paper, any chart paper, or if any drawing sheet you have, you can take it. With your scale and your pencil, draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Then from this side, turn it this side, draw a line segment of 2 centimeter. From the other side also draw 2 centimeter. Then join these two ends. See, it will be like this. Next, mark 2 centimeters on both sides. 4, 6. Here also 2, 4 and 6 marked. Now we will draw on the other side. Draw one square this side of 2 centimeter. One more line segment 2 centimeter. Join these two line segments. Just look at this, like this. On the other side also 2 centimeter. Here. Got it? Now whatever left sections are, we will make it with a dotted line. You can open your book also. It is on page number 195. From that also you can draw with your pencil and scale. So this way you will draw. I hope it is visible to you all. Now take your scissor and cut it. Very carefully you have to cut it. Make sure you are cutting it properly, and be careful, it should not cut on your finger. Fine. Enjoy the activity by side. Precaution is also must. Be careful. It is not that tough. You can do alone also. Watch the video and then do this activity. I will tell you the name of this activity at the end of this video when we will make this project. Don't use cutter to cut this. You can get a cut on your finger with the cutter. So don't use cutter. Use a small scissor like I am using this smaller one. So this I have cut. Done. Cutting is done. Now we will fold it. Where the dotted lines are there, we will fold from there. fold it and open it. All the 4 sections. Folded. When we will keep it on our notebook, it will be like this. It will become a complete box. You can see, closed from all sides. When you will open it, it is your figure, whatever you have made. Just see, I will make it once again. Fold from here, and this top will come here, and back side will come join here, and this side will like this. So this is your complete project. What is the name of this? This is a cube. What is this? This is a cube. And what is this? When we will open this, this is called net of cube. Net of cube. So today we have made a net of cube, and we have learned how to make a net of cube. What you will do in your notebook, after cutting this, you will paste it. Say you have your notebook, and in your notebook, when after your exercise 11.3, you will do exercise 11.4, and in 11.4 you will paste this activity. How will you paste this activity? I will tell you now. Okay, suppose this is your notebook, and one side, suppose this side, only this side you will paste like this. Paste it like this. When you will paste it, it will not move here and there. Understand? So I will show you how. Put a glue on this, a little bit. Okay. So this is what I have pasted. Got it? Just see. When you will do it, fold it like this, and this here, it is a cube, and this is your exercise 11.4, question number 1. This is cube. Understand? No need to paste it whole. Only one section you will paste, rest it will be opened like this. Because when you will close your notebook, it will not hurt. Okay, it will not be damaged. So this is, and under that you will write the name and activity number. So this is net of cube. Net of cube. This way you will write. Understood? Write down exercise number, date, and your activity. Paste it. I hope you all understood. Now next is question number 2. So this is question number 1. The following nets can be made into cubes. Find out how by tracing each net on the cardboard, by cutting and by folding along the dotted line. So this is the second part. In this is also a net of cube. This is the second way. This was the first way, this is second way. So this second part you will try on your own. Understood? So you have to do both the parts in your copy. Do this activity. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.